Good morning. Today we are going to that call where the track was hit. We went back on Friday, but it was pretty complicated, so I didn't really record it. But we're going back today to get the door up and running. So we are going to get loaded up, and I will see you guys in the shop. Eddie. I don't know. Did you grab the winch? Found it. I would have recorded more, but as soon as I said that we're gonna start loading up, the fire alarm started going off. So not good. Alrighty, we are all loaded up, so I just need to get gas for this. So I will see you guys at the gas station. What is that? What the?
We interrupt your TNT to bring you this breaking snack news. Cabo's Nacho Cheese is back. It's full of awesome. Perfect for your...
I always thought that Two Men in a Truck was a local company. Then I went out of state and I figured out they're not. It was very surprising. They look like a very small local company. I just thought that was interesting. I never really knew that until I think it was like a year ago. So maybe you didn't know that either. And now you do know.
This remarkable price reflects the increasing value of rare and prestigious wines in the investment market. To learn more,
We probably have a longer day ahead of us. So let's go get that started. I will see you guys on the job site. Alrighty, we just got to the job site, so we are good to go. And we will start working. So I'm gonna head out there and get going. So the first thing that we're gonna do is put up this jam, because if you can see, we have them connected to this I-beam because we couldn't go into this concrete. So we're gonna put up a jam so that we can lag these back into the wall. Then we'll have this secured. We're gonna have to fix the head plate up there. You can see that shaft is all bent up there. There's no tension on both the springs because there's no cables on the door. So we're gonna have to put the cables up then. And there's no head plate, so we're gonna have to connect that. There's quite a bit to do, but we will get it done. We brought a new shaft as well, so. Okay. Alrighty. One more. Alright, cool. There.
Shaft, grinder, we'll cut the bend off and then just slide everything off, slide it back on. Actually, we'll cut it and then we'll just feed it this way so everything just kind of
Ready?
What was up with your soccer game last night?
I mean, I don't know. We were like dominating the whole game. I ended up, so like I went out for a kick like this to block it, like a cross. I blocked it and I planted my foot and like my knee buckled. So I came off, and then while I was walking off the field, I turned around and got scored on. Like I have no idea how we got scored on. But like they had maybe one chance the whole game.
You guys
And then-
didn't score any years?
Huh?
You guys didn't finish any years?
Yeah, we didn't shoot. Like nobody would shoot.
You don't need to put your finger in there.
Here we go. Today we get to pull out the big boy bars. Oh. Oh no. The big boys.
We'll put this up on top.
Not too bad.
We could probably just
Muscle it.
muscle it.
Come in. Cool. Yep.
Bearing in and bring on that side?
Yep. All good there. We can push it over this way a little bit. All right. All right. Got one in. And second one's in.
Is that where they were?
Yeah. The stuff was all. Alrighty.
So while one person's getting this up, other person can work on undoing the set screws, getting this set, get this whole side set, where we're gonna wind it.
Oh, okay. I'll work on that side. I can pull this shaft farther this way. Would that be better for that side? Because didn't you have to cut the shaft?
Just go ahead and do what you're doing, I'll cut it.
Well, I have to either move the drum or move.
Just go ahead and here's set screws and then push it over.
Okay. Oh, you're there.
Did for the high lift door was like 42.
All right. It's, whoa.
What did they call it again?
Oh, so the race was fun?
Yeah.
Nice.
It was like, so there was the main race, but there was a ton of support racing behind it. So
What kind of track is it? Is it just an oval or is it like
no,
an
it's
actual?
a
road track?
yeah, it's a road track. It's a real nice track. It's wild seeing a car go by you at like 190 and then just stopping on a dime. They're also, it's so loud. It is so loud. Downshifting just blows your ears out.
Oh, did you guys, anybody bring?
What?
We'll have to do that next time. Yeah, all those little pops were so loud.
Nice.
And then the
We
Acuras.
should do it next year. We'll do a 4-day pass.
I only do F1. That's it. I
No,
only do F1. That's it.
you would like it.
These Cadillacs are awesome.
You got the cable on?
Yep, everything's set up there.
I don't mind to do the strings.
Oh yeah. You are silly if you think I'm winding that on the fucking ladder.
You know what? Wind it on the ladder.
No
That's how
shot.
we used to.
No shot.
Don't you think Brandon should wind this spring off a ladder?
I could probably get like 7.
393? Yeah. No problem.
Girl, 393s. I'm injured. Whoa, whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. I do not like this. All right. Spring already got tired by 1/4 of a wind. Let me move out of the way so we can do the strut. Move out of the way to do the strut.
It's pretty straight. About an inch off.
I'd say 1.5 inches. Yeah.
Take care of everything else.
Where do you want to put all this? The metal stuff you can throw on mine. Leave the metal stuff longer so we can just put it in and send it through the back.
Do what?
Make the metal stuff a little longer so we can just put it through up here.
Oh, okay.
Right now we are just finishing up. Really? What the heck? And this one. What's up?
Go by him. Go down there so he can see you.
Okay.
Constant contact?
Yeah. Stop. Down. Yep. He's shaking. All good. Alrighty. I guess I gotta go get the lift. Or the trailer. Trailer time. I can't see the trailer, but it looks like I'm pretty close there. Wow, I suck. I am terrible. I was not pretty close at all. Good thing that thing weighs like 5 pounds, so. Straight onto it. Now, this is good. Lift, twist, boom. Cool. Alrighty, we are all done here. The customer is more than happy this time. They got their door running. Everything's good. We're just gonna have to come back. I believe one of us is gonna come back and do some really small stuff that we have left. Other than that, we might have another call. I am not sure yet, so I will figure that one out. And I will get back to you if we have another call or not. Alrighty, so we got back to the shop. So we're gonna go do that job on Wednesday. So that will be a fun one. We saw pictures of that one already. I'll leave that one as a surprise for you. But for right now, that is it. I'm gonna head home and do some things on my computer. Maybe some editing or something. So I appreciate you guys watching, and I will see you in the next one.